Wow! What a beautiful Victorian home located on a great street. If character is what you want, then this 3-bedroom 2.5 bath has it. This unique home with turret is located just blocks from the downtown. This beautiful home features a welcoming foyer with a stunning stairway, gorgeous woodwork and useful built-in shelving. The main level also features a family room, formal dining, eat-in kitchen, half bathroom, theater room, which could potentially be a 4th bedroom. The second level offers a master bedroom with ensuite, bedrooms 2 and 3, a fully remodeled bathroom. The 3rd floor attic has unlimited potential for more living space. The home also includes an unfinished basement, deck overlooking a 24 by 24 concrete patio, 2-car detached.